अब बहुत साल पहले मैंने एक चीज पढ़ी थी, the ladder of success is never crowded at the top. You know why? Most people are lazy. So we have to get out of that laziness. So intention. दूसरी चीज attention. Are you paying more attention to your expenses, or are you paying more attention to your income? Where you focus, what you focus on will expand. So, for example, when you look at a bill, do you say, oh, or do you think about, how can I pay this? Where do you focus? Do you focus on increasing your income or increases of expenses? What you focus on will expand. What you focus on, you will experience more of it.